Diet and Nutrition, the key to a healthy life. Welcome to this video on diet and nutrition, where we'll explore the importance of making mindful food choices and how it can transform your life. In today's fast-paced world, we often neglect our health, but proper diet and nutrition are essential for living a healthy and balanced life. Let's dive into the basics and learn why it's so important to pay attention to what we eat. What is diet and nutrition? Diet refers to the food and beverages we consume daily, while nutrition is about the nutrients our body needs to function properly. A well-balanced diet ensures our body receives essential vitamins, minerals, proteins, carbohydrates, and fats. Proper nutrition isn't just about eating less or cutting out certain foods. It's about fueling your body with what it needs to thrive. Why is diet important? The food we eat directly impacts our energy levels, immunity, and even mental health. A poor diet can lead to chronic diseases like diabetes, heart issues, and obesity, while a balanced diet improves overall health and longevity. Here are some benefits of a healthy diet. Boosts energy. Eating the right foods provides sustained energy throughout the day. Whole grains, fruits, and vegetables keep you active and productive. Strengthens immunity. Proper nutrition helps the body fight off illnesses and infections. Improves mental health. Certain foods, like fatty fish, nuts, and leafy greens, enhance brain function and mood. Promotes longevity. A nutrient-rich diet can reduce the risk of chronic diseases and promote a longer, healthier life. What makes a balanced diet? A balanced diet includes a variety of foods from different groups to provide all the essential nutrients. Carbohydrates. Found in foods like rice, bread, and fruits, they provide energy for daily activities. Proteins. Essential for muscle growth and repair, proteins are found in meat, fish, beans, and nuts. Fats. Healthy fats, like those in avocados and olive oil, are important for energy and brain health. Vitamins and minerals. Found in fruits, vegetables, and dairy products, they support various bodily functions. Water. Staying hydrated is crucial for digestion, circulation, and overall well-being. Common nutrition mistakes. While focusing on nutrition, many people make mistakes that can harm their health. Skipping meals. Skipping meals leads to overeating later and lowers energy levels. Relying on processed foods. Junk food may be convenient, but it lacks essential nutrients and is high in unhealthy fats and sugars. Ignoring portion control. Even healthy foods, when eaten in excess, can lead to weight gain. Simple tips for better nutrition: plan your meals. Preparing meals at home ensures you know what's going into your food. Eat more whole foods. Include fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins in your diet. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to stay energized and focused. Avoid sugary drinks. Replace sodas and sugary drinks with healthier options like herbal teas or water infused with fruits. Conclusion: your diet and nutrition are the foundation of your overall health and well-being. By making mindful choices and focusing on balance, you can transform your energy, mood, and physical health. Remember, small changes lead to big results. Stay tuned for more tips on living a healthier life. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Let's take the first step toward a healthier you, starting today.